Hey everyone, today we're showing you the new giant loop tail rack, $49 MSRP. As you can see, we have it bolted to our 2013 KTM 500. It's designed to be bolted to the fender of any dirt bike. We recommend about a 10-pound weight rating on it because it's not subframe mounted, but it's a lot more simple. You can put it this way, you can mount it this way. We're going to show you how it mounts to a Mojavi saddlebag in a couple different ways. The gas bag with Mojavi, and then the possibles pouch by itself. The possibles pouch would be your great tube repair kit or just tools. You just want a little pouch on here, and it gives you a way to anchor something because dirt bike fenders don't have anchor points. So instead of relying on fender hooks, you have this solid mounted plate here. It comes with all the necessary hardware, so the bolts, the nuts, the washers, the plate. You can mount it this way and this way. Stay tuned for those. We're going to have plenty of opportunity to show you what you can put on here, answer any questions you might have, and educate you on our new rack, which is a universal fit. So stay tuned. Do your best job and line them up. Might take 1 or 2 tries, but if you get it pretty quickly, you should be able to. Get this in. How good of a hole driller am I? There you go. Bam. Start with that, and then we do the washers on and the nuts on the bottom. Not rocket science, just 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and you're good to go. So I'm almost done here. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So I want to show you how to mount a saddlebag to the tail rack. We have our Mojavi here, and the Mojavi comes with an extra strap and buckle. So show you how we attach the possibles pouch to our new giant loop tail rack. As you can see, feed it through there, goes underneath, comes back. These straps come with the possibles pouch, so same on both sides. All you have to do, you just find these, you anchor them super tight, pull as hard as you can, and that's all you need to do. Possibles pouch and many of our products come with a standard nylon strap. So if you're looking for a upgrade to get a little more tension, more of a quick release option, throw a pair of our Pronghorn. These are the 20-inch. They work really well. As you can see, you go through the bag, feed it, and come back. Not rocket science there. And these really, you can really ratchet them down so get it super tight. It's not going anywhere. And we use them on a lot of different products like our hand guards and quick release. So you pop these off and you're good to go. So a little bit faster, a little more tension on them, and definitely a great upgrade.